Mas healthy, oo.
Oo.
That's healthy, oo.
Yes.
So, pero you do get parang like individual clients.
Yeah, I usually do, especially after work. So I do physical coaching as well.
Tapos ano siya, parang like yung kunyari, depende on what they want. Like for example,
Ano
weight
goal?
loss,
Oo.
or they want to bulk up, or they want, ganon.
Or may sakit
Yes,
na may mga kailangan iwasan.
Right.
Most of the time, weight management naman. Pero yung iba, since health issues na, meron din naman mga ganon.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Medyo mahirap yung may health issues na no? Kasi pag ganun, may mga bawal na talaga.
Yeah, very specific na yung mga bawal.
Hay.
Restricted talaga.
So, as a dietitian, kailangan ba pigilan mo yung sarili mo? Pag kunyari, you're out with family, with friends, kumakain kayo, tapos makikita mo, may o-order sila ng food na quote-unquote bad.
Ikaw ba yung punong KJ?
Ikaw
sa
ba
mga-
yung parang like, uy, ano
Killjoy?
Oh, yung batok mo, baka sumakit na yan.
Oh my God!
Like, do you have to like rein yourself in? Or ano ka naman, chill ka naman? Bala kayo, kainin niyo yung gusto niyo.
Hanggat maaari, chill lang. Pero sometimes hindi mo pa mapigilan kasi parang iba na yung tingin mo sa kanila.
Sige. Ito question ko for you. What's your weakness? Ano yung mga binibinge mo na kahit
Na bad.
alam mo na bad, hindi mo mapigilan?
Okay. Siguro yung fast food, it's really part of the lifestyle eh.
That's
fast
true.
food.
Sige. Kung order sa fast food, ano na yung parang pinaka quote-unquote healthy na pwede mong orderin from most fast food places?
All regular.
Wag ka mag-upsize, ganon.
Yes,
Wag ka
wag na
magla-large.
mag-upsize.
So serving
Huwag na magla-large.
size.
Yes.
Ano yung ano mo? Kasi ngayon usok-uso siya sa X. Sa X na, or maybe my feed ha. Dami-dami kong nakikita na posts about like seed oils.
Keto oil?
Seed oil.
Like grape seed.
Yung mga vegetable
grape seed
oil. Like ang dami ko
Okay.
nakikitang content about that. Ikaw, ano yung take mo on that? Is it really so like bad?
Superfood naman kasi are all good in a manner of alam mo lang dapat kung bawal sa'yo or not. Especially with a family history or the medical history that you had or have.
Oh.
Kasi meron mga superfood na bawal sa may mga certain sakit. It aggravates.
And I also heard about a certain like spot test or something like that to check what allergies certain individuals have.
Yes.
What do you call that? And how do you get that?
It depends eh. Minsan nga hindi alam kung saan talaga nanggagaling eh.
Oh, di ba hulaan
sometimes
siya?
it's,
Pag allergy, hulaan minsan.
No,
eh.
pero may something na ginagawa nila like they'll put a little bit of that kind
Oh,
of
skin
food.
test.
Skin test ba
Yeah,
yun?
yung maliliit
Yes,
na
sa
needles.
allergos,
oo.
yeah.
Parang i-injectionan ka ng konting of that.
As in, ang dami, di ba?
Yeah, kasi kunyari,
Yes,
you have
marami
like 15 on one arm. Parang each dot corresponds to a certain substance. Kunyari, pollen, peanuts, seafood. I-inject ka ng konting
And to see kung magre-react.
kung magre-react. Tapos
Yeah.
kung ano yung bilog na parang namaga or namula, bibilugan nila. Tapos parang doon ka allergic kasi may reaction eh. Kasi if you don't react, it means you're not allergic to
Right.
it. Yeah. Skin test.
Mm.
I had that when it's so painful kasi like they
Daming
inject it
turok-turok.
right under the skin lang.
Oof.
Oh, it's so painful.
But you've tried it na.
I've tried it once. Kasi I
And
had
did you find out kung saan ka allergic?
no, di ba ito nga yung sabi ko na ako pa nakadiscover. Like I just read up on it. It was vitamin B deficiency. I wasn't allergic to anything. I was
lucky you.
deficient in something. Yeah.
But how about like for example, things that you can't test like lactose intolerance, certain food that your stomach doesn't really react to? Is that also skin test or is there?
Hindi na yata. I think it's like if you, kunyari, you know your lactose intolerance kasi every time you
No, obviously, but like
may reaction ka.
not just talk about lactose. Like for example, you react better to chicken as opposed to fish or something like that. Or you, what's better for your stomach is steak.
Oh, I don't know about that. Parang ano na yan eh, di ba? Yung, ano yun, di ba? Nauso rin yan, yung what food you should be eating more of.
Yung parang
Yeah.
blood type diet.
Blood type diet.
Blood
There you
type
go, parang
diet.
gano'n.
That was a thing before also.
Di ba? Na supposedly ako, I did that eh, na I should be more beef. Eh, di ba yung of the meats yung pinaka
Hindi mo bet. Yeah. True. True.
Interesting. Oh, but okay, let's talk about you. Like, what are your like? What do you like to do for fun?
Bahay, gym, client, that's it.
Oh.
Ganun lang. Like, don't you like to do some